Well, hi, everybody. Well, today I'm making something really wonderful. I'm making banana tarts. Oops, sorry about that, folks. I'm not awake yet today. I'm making banana tarts and banana pudding. When you have overripe bananas, the best thing you need to do is get rid of these bananas. Now, I'm mushing up 3 bananas. These bananas are overripe. We need to get rid of them as fast as we can. Okay. Now, the next thing I have to do is I want to add in 3/4 cup of sugar. To thicken the pudding mixture, I have to get my flour, folks. I'm not with it today, folks. Yeah, when the holiday season is over with, and I'm kind of glad we can get back to normal life. I enjoy the holiday season, but now it's getting to be too much. 1/3 cup of flour. This is a thickening agent, see. You could add cornstarch also, but this is calling for flour, so I'm only doing what the recipe is telling me to do. Now, I'm going to mix this together. I'm now going to add in my milk. I'm adding in 2 cups of whole milk. And we're going to put this on the stove and we're going to cook it for a few minutes. Because it has to thicken, folks. That's the thing. It has to thicken up. I'm also adding in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's going to make it taste really delicious and yummy. When you have overripe bananas, folks, please do not throw them out. Use them for something. I'm also adding in 3 eggs. Here we go. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix together. I'm going to put it on the stove, and I'll be back in a few minutes. We're back. Now, the next thing I have to do, folks, is I want to add in my egg mixture. I want to put some of the vanilla, into my egg mixture. And then we're going to alternate it back, and that's how it's going to become yellow. Here we go. You're going to see the finished product, how good it's really going to look. Here we go, a little bit. Now, put it back into the pot. Now, folks, be careful. When you put eggs on heat, they are often known to scramble, okay? Mix this together. And now, what I want to do now, folks, is add in my bananas. Use ripe bananas. There's a reason why I'm telling you this. Okay. Mix this together. Put it back on the flame, and we're going to let the eggs cook for about another minute or so. Get it down to medium heat, folks, because you sure don't want to have scrambled eggs. Okay, I want to mention something. I also add in not a stick of butter, but add in about a cube of butter. You want to get that mixed in your pudding. Okay, we're going to put this back on the stove. It's going to go for about just another minute, and then we're going to put you on pause while I have my lunch, and let it get cold for about a good hour. We're making banana tarts and banana pudding today. We're doing both today. Pull this over here, because you're going to see this when this is done, folks. It's going to be delicious. Okay, now, here we go. Mix everything together. Banana tarts and banana pudding, folks, is basically the same thing. You know that? When you start bananas start looking like they're starting to get a little darkish in color, use it. Don't waste money on bananas you don't want to use. Use it. Delicious banana pudding. Here we go. Now let's put this over here. I also want to fill this cup up with banana pudding. It's going to be banana pudding and banana tarts, both. Here we go. Now, if you make a mess, folks, like Grandma Elizabeth would say to me, Debbie, you made a mess. I said, yes, I know. I know. Clean it up immediately. Because we have pussycats that have a habit of getting into stuff, folks, and we sure don't want them to get into this. So we're going to put you on pause. And I'll be back in about an hour, and I'll show you the finished product.